Cherries are not only delicious but also pack a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. From aiding sleep to boosting overall well-being, cherries offer a myriad of advantages. In this video, we'll delve into the differences and similarities between Barbados cherries and cherries commonly found in the US, exploring how they both contribute to promoting better sleep and overall health. Barbados cherries, also known as acerola cherries, are renowned for their exceptionally high vitamin C content. In fact, they contain significantly more vitamin C than oranges, making them a potent immune booster. Additionally, Barbados cherries are rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids and carotenoids, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. One of the standout features of Barbados cherries is their melatonin content. Melatonin is a hormone that regulates the sleep-wake cycle, and consuming foods rich in melatonin, such as Barbados cherries, can help improve sleep quality and duration. Incorporating Barbados cherries into your diet, whether fresh or in juice form, may contribute to better sleep patterns and overall restfulness. Cherries commonly found in the US, such as Bing or Rainier cherries, boast their own impressive array of health benefits. These cherries are particularly rich in antioxidants, including anthocyanins and quercetin, which have anti-inflammatory and heart-protective properties. The deep red color of many US cherries is indicative of their high anthocyanin content, which not only gives them their vibrant hue but also contributes to their health-promoting effects. Similar to Barbados cherries, US cherries contain melatonin, although in slightly lower concentrations. Nonetheless, consuming US cherries or cherry juice has been associated with improved sleep quality and duration in various studies. Incorporating these antioxidant-rich fruits into your diet can not only support overall health but also contribute to better sleep hygiene. When it comes to choosing between Barbados cherries and US cherries, both offer unique benefits. If you're looking to boost your vitamin C intake and maximize melatonin content, Barbados cherries may be the ideal choice. On the other hand, if you're drawn to the antioxidant-rich properties of cherries and their potential to support heart health, US cherries are an excellent option.